Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan Bhavani and this is the coverage from the MWC 2018. And firstly, let's talk about the Nokia 1. That was one of the 5 phones that were launched by HMD Global at MWC 2018. Nokia 1 is the Android Oreo Go edition device that comes with the entry-level specs, but the latest OS having a different kind of modification for the entry-level specifications again. The phone comes with a 4.5-inch FWVGA display on the front, and there's 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB internal storage. Talking about the physical aspect, what you see in the bottom is the micro USB port. On the right, the buttons with a different color again. On the top is a 3.5mm headset jack, and on the back the phone comes with a 5MP camera with the LED flash, and on the front is a 2-megapixel selfie camera, and there's no flash support here. The back of the phone is removable, and there's express covers, that is the special thing about this phone, that are coming here with different color options. Here you see a micro SD card option as well, and since this is the global unit, this comes with a single SIM card slot, but if the phone would launch in India later, it would come with a dual SIM option. So this is the removable back cover, which is the plastic body again. Now let's talk about the OS. This is the Android Oreo Go edition, and out of 8 GB you get about 5.21 GB available for the user. Next, getting into the about section, what you see is one gestures, and then this is the final details about the device. With the 8.1.0 Android Go version is what you see here, the Oreo Go version. For the gestures, you see only one gesture, that's jump to camera, and then there are a few security options as well, but there's no fingerprint solution or any such other security options. And here these are a few Go applications, one of them being the Maps Go. All these applications are modified from the basic application, and here you see that the Maps Go as well has a limited functionality, and that is what you expect from a phone that comes with entry-level specifications. But that's a good thing because Google is trying to give you a different kind of app usage experience. Though if you notice here, there are a few lags already, although there's 1 GB of RAM given on this phone. We aren't told about the final chipset here, but it's a quad-core chipset. This is the Files Go application that is present on the phone, and there are a few other Go apps as well, one of them being the Google Assistant Go. Though there's no internet connectivity here, we could not use it, but I'm sure it's not the full-fledged Google Assistant that you see on this device. And the performance, or whatever you see as the interface, is not very smooth, if you can notice what we are trying to do here. And this is the 5-megapixel rear camera here, and there are a few settings such as panorama, beautify, manual, and settings as well. In the manual again, there are only a limited number of things that you can change. The resolution of the rear camera is 5MP and front camera is 2 megapixel. And now switching to the video mode to let you know what the video capture can be done up to. It's 720p videos that can be taken from the rear camera, and with the front facing camera you can take up to 480p videos. And it's at least good that there are beautify options given here, but then I don't know how good that would be working. Let's take a quick capture with the rear camera itself to see how good the camera is. But then again, these are artificial light conditions, and the results won't always be easy to judge. So this is the quick capture from the rear camera, that's the 5-megapixel rear camera of the device, and this is the front facing camera. So this is again a 2-megapixel camera on the front, and due to the artificial light conditions here, which are quite good, you see that the face is easily recognized, and these are a couple of options that are given along with the phone. There is beautify mode as well here. And this was all about the Nokia 1 that was launched today at the MWC 2018 at a separate event obviously, but then this was the first Android Go edition device from Nokia. So the phone is officially priced at 85 euros, which turns to around 6,700, but when it launches in India, I hope the price is different and it's under 5,000, because that is what this phone might deserve as a price. So this was the Nokia 1 officially launched, and I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos from MWC 2018 and subscribe to Gizmo Time for more. Thank you for watching.